This is a new series called Behind the Scenes with the M Group. We want to share the good, the bad, and the ugly, and hopefully share some lessons and wisdom to people who need it. So here we go. When Melanie and I first got started in real estate here at Lake Anna, one of the first things we were told is, you're not local, so you're going to have a hard time. At first, we just laughed this off, but once we got started and gaining traction, that's when we noticed the drama starting. The whispers, the fake smiles, the stories that were being told behind closed doors. Even Melanie's first real estate so-called mentor, and I use that loosely, was steering her away from information that would have helped her succeed. Bad advice, misdirection, almost like she didn't want her to grow. Well, she figured this out pretty fast. Just after one transaction, Melanie looked at me and says, "Look, I got this." And that was it. She didn't look back and just kept driving forward. I've seen this before. I used to run a martial arts school, and that taught me a lot about people, how they react, and how people can be towards you when you have some success. When you start to have success and this kind of thing starts to happen, they start to make you the villain in their story. So here's what I've learned and what I hope helps you in dealing with these situations if you are. Lesson one, if you let the noise get to you, you're giving your energy to the wrong thing. You lose focus and you lose peace. Lesson two, when it becomes about proving yourself or proving other people wrong, you're taking your eyes off what the real mission is, and that's your clients and your business. And that is what's going to really hurt you in the long run, and the noise gets louder and louder. But if you stay focused, the noise disappears. Now, Melanie, she is a Marine, so keep that in mind. She doesn't put up with people's BS. And honestly, it can be hilarious to watch at times, because if she sees something that's out of place, not correct, or somebody's saying something that could hurt a client or the business, she's protective over that and she calls it out. That is what makes her and even me unique, is we say what needs to be said. And we're very honest and upfront. And sometimes people don't want to hear it. But the truth is important, because you can't make good decisions without someone being upfront and honest with you about your data, your numbers, your business, and sometimes even life choices when we're asked those questions. So I hope this information helps, and stay tuned for the next Behind the Scenes.